Hello friends, welcome back. So today I am going to show you the form templates. It's responsive forms, login forms. So here you can see this is the form templates. So when you hover on it, it changes the borders of the forms, and when you do on the text box, the password box, it changes the appearances. And when you go to the sign in, it has the same effect on there. So there is a change in the appearances. So this template is a fluid and the responsive at the same time with the media queries used on it. So when you just shrink this screen, now you can see how it's adjusting in the form based on the screen. So this is the responsive one. So now here the good things, like I have used the validations also. So when you click, so when you try to sign in, and this all project is on Angular. So when you sign in, it will throw the username and password. You have to tell because you cannot leave the text box and password box empty. So if you put it here, a and whatever, now it's gone. But what if I, now this is a touched in the Angular, so if you leave, if this box is already tasked, now when you go back to the username and click here, it will the password is required, right? So let's refresh this. Now when you click on username and you don't type anything on here, and you go to the password, then it says username is required. And then when you don't fill the form of the password form filled, and you go back to the username and the password is required, and when you do the sign in, it will say that okay, like username and password is required. So let's say Q and Q. Now when put the both fields are satisfied, and when you do the sign in, now let's see here. Okay, in the console we can see the successfully login, right? So let's refresh this and try to sign in. Here nothing is in effect. So let's say Q and whatever. And when you sign in, now it's successfully logged because it's working, it's checking the validations of username and password fields. So this is a simple but very effective responsive form. And if you want to learn the codes and how this is happening and how this happens, then you can comment me in the comment box and we'll discuss about that. So till then, thank you, bye bye, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these channels. Bye bye.